Hi, my name is Joel Fernandez.
Hi, I'm Jyotsna.
I'm Umesh and I'm from PC Job in Science College, Hubli.
Hi, I'm Ranjita Jalihar.
Hi guys, this is Pawan S. Kamar.
Myself, Shruti Mag.
Hi, my name is Rohan.
So I'm doing my final year of biotechnology engineering in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering.
I'm studying in PC Job in Science College and I'm pursuing my microbiology degree there.
And I'm pursuing my degree in biotechnology.
I am a student of biotechnology in Hubli, PC Job in University.
Pursuing biotechnology course in PC Job in Science College, Hubli.
And I'm currently pursuing my BSc in.
So I was scrolling through LinkedIn and one of the flyers about the program on CRISPR-Cas9 technology was there from EdubioSkills, and I chose to attend this program.
I found this very useful as this was not only theoretical but we actually entered the labs and we did many of the basic things.
And I'm so glad that I'm part of this gene editing CRISPR workshop.
I was not really knowing about this CRISPR, but when I got to know I'm going to this workshop, I just had a glance at night.
And I have heard this CRISPR-Cas9 is one of the revolutionary mechanism for the gene editing programs.
Explained us everything from including basics, and they took us to the labs and they did experiments and we learned many things from this workshop.
And I found that it was very practical and very knowledgeable, and I learned a lot about this technology. I even learned that most of the projects that are being approved today have to have CRISPR-Cas9 technology with them.
I hope it will be more useful for all the microbiology and biotechnology students in the future if they get to know the applications of this CRISPR-Cas9 genes.
I was so happy that I got to know much things over here, and I really thank you EdubioSkills. You taught me very basic things which even in the textbooks we don't get to know.
I have attended this workshop of 2 days with a hands-on training which I have got to edit the genes, and we have produced the recombination by using the CRISPR-Cas9.
It was very useful, and the CRISPR-Cas9 technology is one of the famous technology in the gene editing, and I'm glad I'm part of this.
And practically I learned a lot of things which you won't learn from the textbook. So I thank you EdubioSkills for this program.
It was very helpful.
Actually, we got to get into the labs and work ourselves in the gene editing and all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you EdubioSkills.
Thank you, EdubioSkills.